Good day, sir. Good day, everyone, and welcome to MTEC 102 in this prelim period, week 2, session 2. And for today's topic, it's the safe mooring key challenges. So before we proceed, let us know first the course outcome, the learning outcome, and lastly, the importance of the topic. So for the course outcome, it aims to present the significance of mooring system management plan and the line management plan with regards to the ship's mooring operation. Next is the learning outcome. At the end of the session, the students shall be able to know the safe mooring key challenges. This includes the mooring system management plan and the line management plan. And lastly, the importance of the topic. So the scope of MSMP is to help the operators ensure the mooring system is inspected, maintained, and operated in accordance with the original design basis. And the LMP contains the ship operator requirements for the management of the mooring line maintenance. For the management of the mooring line maintenance, inspection, and retirement during the operational phase of the mooring line life cycle. So the LMP can be a standalone tool, or it may be integrated into existing safety or maintenance management systems. Once again, we are the Group 4 and I am Decadat Cecilieto Gasalatan Jr. Together with my team, Larra, Justine, COGTAS, Lynn, GEONZON, we will discuss the safe mooring key challenges. Intertanko publishes a guide on mooring system management plans and line management plans. With this guide, Intertanko aims to help operators manage the relevant equipment and lines from design to retirement. In fact, the MEG 4 states that the plans must remain on board the ship during its life as a part of the management of change records. This ensures that documents and records are not lost, while it is also suggested that all information regarding to the mooring of the vessel is considered a complete system. So the plan should also incorporate a record of any changes that have taken to mooring equipment and arrangement since the vessel was built. So the next topic is to be discussed by Decadat, Larra, Justine, COGTAS.
Thank you, Decadat Gasalatan. Now let's add another information to the topic. The International Association of Independent Tanker Owners, also known as Intertanko, notes that the MSMP should ensure that the mooring system is inspected, maintained, and operated according to the original design basis. The information that is included in the MSMP must be available to anyone who needs to review it. Also, the mooring system management plan, also called as MSMP, has to be specific for each ship and add to its safety management system. By using a goal-based approach, the key elements of the mooring system are identified against which high-level goals are set out supported by detailed functional requirements. In addition, a register of the mooring system components must be kept throughout the ship's life in an accompanying mooring system management plan register. Specifically, the MSMP should include the following. Part A, general ship particulars like the ship details including name, date of build, registration, IMO number, and flag or its class. Part B, mooring equipment design philosophy. It provides comprehensive details of the ship's original design philosophy and show how the philosophy demonstrates that the ship can be effectively and safely moored against standard environmental criteria. Part C, detailed list of mooring equipment. Part D, inspection, maintenance, and retirement strategies. This provides detailed information on the requirements for inspecting and maintaining all loose and permanent mooring equipment. Part E, risk and change management, safety of personnel, and human factors. This provides detailed information on the requirements for identification and management of hazards and risk arising from the mooring system. Part F, records and documentation. This provides records of detailed maintenance information on the ship's mooring equipment system and requirements for documentation management. And lastly, Part G, Mooring System Management Plan Register, or MSMPR. Part G provides detail of the records that should be retained by the ship throughout its life cycle from original design to disposal. They should be in a form that enables transfer when the ship owner changes. And now, let's have the next reporter, GEONZON Angeline.
Hi, I am GEONZON Lynn. So for the next topic, I will be discussing about line management plan. So MAG4 also contains a description of the line management plan or LMP, which is specific to an operator, ship type, and trade route. Nonetheless, MAG4 provides a general guidance on creating an LMP, namely, and must include all the requirements for the way that lines are maintained, inspected, and retired, and each of these parts should be described in detail in the plan. Moreover, the inspection section should also demonstrate how and when the inspection should take place. So the detail and the plan should be accurate as possible. So next is the main components include records of mooring hours, line inspection records and plans, manufacturer and operator retirement criteria, test inspection reports, manufacturer's recommendations following test or inspection. So according to MAG4, the operator is the responsible for ensuring the right development and implementation of the LMP, similar with the Mooring System Management Plan Register or SMMPR. So LMP is a live document and can be held either in hard or soft version. So however, it must be incorporated into the vessel's documents control system and be subject to change management controls to ensure a complete history. It should also be easily accessed for internal and external compliance verification, ship personnel training, and communication with manufacturers. So that will be all, and thank you for listening.
So that would be all for our topic. Once again, we are the Group 4 and have a good day.